that. Okay, now this is where the fun starts. This is part 1, and this is where the fun really begins. So I get my cord, I like to put my thumb there, and we are going to wrap this cord around the dowel 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, like that. So now we go back down the dowel rod 3 times. 1, making X's. That's 1. I'm going to swap hands to make it easier. 2, 3, like that. So I've got 3 X's like that. The cord now goes over this one here. So you do it 3 times back. 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay. Now this is where the fun really starts. As you get your fid, this cord goes over the top, and you are going to follow this cord, but do the opposite of what it's doing. So this cord is going over, so you want to poke your fid under the first cord like that. Now it goes under, so you go over, following this cord but doing the opposite. So it goes under, over, under, and you just keep going all the way down to the bottom. Goes over. See, this cord is going under this one, so you go over the top, under the next one. Now we're getting to the confusing part 1 of confusion. This really got me going. Okay, so you go under this one, you're still following this cord, it's going under, so you go over this one, the cord is still going over here, so you go under, like that, get the twist out. And then I normally get confused by this piece. See, goes under, you've gone that one goes over, you've gone under, and you keep turning round. So now your cord goes over the top of this one here, and then it's going to go underneath this one here like that. And then you're going to bring it back up underneath the elastic band like that. And that is the first piece done. So this was a real puzzler for me. It took me ages to get this sussed out. So if you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and wait for part 2, because in part 2 we add the red.